Okay, that phone is absolutely gorgeous, and as you're watching it unfold, we thought, wow, a new evolution of the mobile era has arrived and Samsung is leading that charge. But then, when I looked closely into this, something isn't adding up. So Samsung, why aren't you telling us? Let me ask you some questions. So let's start at the beginning, and the beginning is already when things seemed a bit weird. I mean, you have this amazing launch for this amazing product. You've got a folding phone that you're unveiling to the world for the first time, and yet you start your presentation with that? That seems a bit odd. Surely you lead up to that. Surely that's kind of your S10e, and then you got your S10, and you got your S10 Plus, and now, wait, there is more, and now we talk about the folding phone. So it seems a bit strange that Samsung started with that and then kind of almost left that alone, never referred back to it, and just went through its other product range thereafter. It seems to me that they're looking to give the attention more on the other devices. Why is that? At such a major unpacked event and such a major evolution in the cell phone industry, surely you want to give more attention to the new evolution? I wonder. Doing a search on YouTube for the Galaxy Fold brings obviously hundreds and hundreds of videos, all talking about the wonderful Galaxy Fold. But there's one thing that you'll notice. None of the media or the journalists actually have the Galaxy Fold in their hands. But if you do a search for the Galaxy S10, you'll find again hundreds and hundreds of already hands-on reviews or first impressions of the device from famous media personalities. Why not give the media the Galaxy Fold, which is of course the evolution that you're trying to get to? Well, perhaps it's not quite as ready as we think it is. So throughout the Galaxy Unpacked event, we saw a lot to do with the cameras of the phones. We saw how the various modes that it's got, we saw HDR, we saw video, we saw a whole bunch of pro features, and yet when it came to take that famous selfie, why not do it with the Galaxy Fold? Why not do it with your top-end phone? I mean, it's a $2,000 phone. Surely it's got an amazing front-facing camera. What would have been absolutely amazing is to snap a photo, a selfie with the Galaxy Fold, press the button and open it up and display it for all its beauty. Are other apps not ready yet for the continuity? I'm assuming not, since the SDK or software development kit is probably only just going to be released to developers now. But all we saw was one single app showing how you start on the Galaxy, the Google Maps, and then you move it, you open up the phone, and then your maps are there. And even then, you can actually see when they're tapping on the screen, it doesn't kind of launch the first time. Now, it could be because he was nervous, because I get that when I try to make a video and I'm trying to tap and record at the same time. So the nerves do get better of you, but it seems to be that he's pressed it repeatedly, multiple times. The home button, he's multiple times. The mapping button, multiple times. The find my position button. So, is it perhaps not quite as ready as it looks? Now, something that I noticed that we didn't really discuss is how he unlocked the phone using just his thumb on the side. So, is that where the new thumb scanner is going to be? Will it read your entire finger? It'll be interesting to see kind of how that develops. Again, no details were provided about that either. So don't get it twisted. I'm not saying Samsung is trying to pull a fast one on us. I'm not saying we've been duped. I'm not saying that the device isn't ready. I'm just wondering why it hasn't been given to journalists, to media, to people to actually touch and feel as such an important evolution in the cell phone industry. And I keep on saying the word evolution because exactly what it is. I think Samsung is trying to push the way that we're going to approach our mobile phones of the future. But I do love the direction that this is going. I'm just wondering, just how ready is it right now? And maybe we need a couple of additional months just to tie up those last loose ends before we get it into our hands. What do you think? Are you going to be getting the Galaxy S10? Let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think of this? Give this video a thumbs up if you liked what you saw. Don't forget to hit the head below to subscribe. Check out some of these other cool videos, and I'll see you guys on the next episode, because that's Tech Simple. Cheers for now.